Hi everyone, is your Aura frame frequently turning off? We have got the solution you need. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to troubleshoot and fix this issue so you can enjoy uninterrupted photo displays. Let's get started. Step 1. Check Auto On or Off settings. Launch the app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on the frame that is experiencing the issue. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear. Scroll down to the device section, tap on or off option, choose the schedule feature to specify times for the frame to turn on and off. This ensures it stays on during desired hours. Step 2. Reset the frame. Find the reset pinhole on the back or bottom of the frame. Insert a pin into the pinhole and hold it down while the frame is plugged in. Release the pin after a few seconds. The frame will reset to factory settings. Step 3. Power cycle the frame. Disconnect the power adapter from the wall outlet. Leave it unplugged for about 3 minutes. Reconnect the power adapter and turn the frame on. Step 4. Connect to Aura's customer care. If none of the steps resolve the issue, it may be time to reach out to Aura's customer care for further assistance. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Note down your frame model, app version and a description of the issue. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.